Hi friends, so in this video we will see some examples on probability. So previous video we have seen some basic concept of probability, some basic definitions of probability. So that is exhaustive event, right, mutually exclusive event, conditional probability, then sample space events, right, and some famous important theorems, additional theorem, bias theorem. So one more definition is multiplication rule. So these concepts we have discussed in previous video. So those definitions, based on those definitions we will see some examples, right. So first example number 1. So these all examples are important, all are question paper examples, right. So question is, if A and B are independent events, if A and B are the independent events, this A and B are events, show that the events, so first one, complement of A and complement of B, right. Second one is complement of A and only B. Third one is A and complement of B are also independent. Andre A bar and B bar, nothing but A complement and B complement are independent. This A bar, A complement and B also independent. This A and B complement are also independent. These all are independent. A, B, complement of A and complement of B, all are independent. They are asking question. So this is from question paper July and December 2017. Now I will see one by one. Anyway, they are given events are the independent events. Now we have by De Morgan's law of sets. So here one thing I want to forget to tell previous video. So everybody should know concept of set theory, right? Concept of set theory. So ಅದನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲೇಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅದು. So we know the standard theorem, De Morgan's law of a set, right, here. So De Morgan's law of set is complement of A union B equal to complement of A intersection complement of B. So this is from De Morgan's law. So if you take probability of this, right, so probability of this here at RHS side, this is LHS side. Probability of complement of A intersection complement of B equal to probability of complement of A union B, right. So as it is, I am relating this one as it is. Now here, so this is probability of complement of this. So we know that definition of complement set is, if you have a complement of A is, so 1 minus A, so that we know. So similarly we are following here. So P probability of complement of this nothing but, so 1 minus probability of A union B, since probability of X bar is equal to 1 minus P of S, or you can write P of A complement nothing but, so 1 minus P of A, right, or simply we can say complement of A is 1 minus A. So this is, that is. So similarly this we know. So this is nothing but, we have a from additional theorem. So 1 minus, this is nothing but from additional theorem, by additional theorem. So probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So adanu use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. Then here also we know that this one, probability of A intersection B by the multiplication rule, when if A and B are the independent, so this expression is P of A into P of B. So that's I am using here. So it as it is, this term is as it is. Here we have used P of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B, as A and B are independent events by the multiplication rule. Hence ఇది యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ probability of A complement of A intersection complement of B equal to as it is 1 minus this, right? The common term is in this, so P of A plus P of B minus P of A into P of B into P of B. Here if you 1 minus P of A, one term, into here if you take common in this P of A, right? P of A common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ so 1 minus B, then so 1 minus B is so 1 minus B to 1 by factoring the RHS, only RHS side. Thus a complement of A and complement of B are independent. Similar second one. So second one is complement of A and B are independent. So I am considering set S, so universal set, right? This we have A intersection B, only this part. So here A intersection B complement, so this is A complement intersection B, right? We have from the figure, so B nothing but A intersection B union A complement intersection B. Since A intersection B and A complement intersection B are disjoint, we have, so take probability both sides. So if union, this is plus, right? Now here just I am simplifying. If you keep this here, I am transferring this one, plus become minus P of A minus P of B minus P of A intersection B equal to this. We know that expression for multiplication rule. So here we take common P of B into 1 minus P of A. So this is nothing but P of complement of A, So therefore P of A complement B intersection B equal to P of complement of A into P of B. Thus A bar and B are disjoint, or A complement and B are disjoint. So similarly we'll see third one, reverse one. Third one is, so third example we have from the figure. So look at figure Venn diagram. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ B ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. Similarly A equal to A intersection complement of B union A intersection B. Take probability. So here union become plus, or I am solving this one. This as it is. If you transfer this side, is minus P of A minus P of A intersection B. Now this we know by the multiplication rule. Same follow previous result, right? So thus A and complement of B are independent. So this is the required solution. Similarly, second example, if A and B are, this is second one, if A and B are events with probability of A union B equal to 7/8. Now probability of A intersection B equal to 1/4 and probability of complement of A equal to 5/8, and find probability of A, probability of B and probability of A intersection B complement of B. So this is from a question paper July 2017, right? Now you have some value. You know that P of A equal to 1 minus P of A complement of A. We know that complement of A is 5/8. This, so substitute here. So 1 minus 5/8 is 3/8. So P of A is 3/8. Then we have probability of A union B equal to, so by the additional theorem, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this we know that P of A union B 7/8, P of A is 3/8, P of B we should find this one, so minus P of A intersection B 1/4, right? Simplify. So keep this one P of B here. So this one transfer this negative, we transfer this positive. So 7/8, so minus plus. After simplifying, P of B is 3/4. Also we have, so one more value, probability of A intersection B, A intersection complement of B equal to P of A minus, so this P of A minus P of A intersection B, right? From previous result, nothing but here P of A is 3 by 8 minus this is 1 by 4, so after subtracting 1 by 8, so probability of A intersection complement of B equal to 1 by 8. So this is the required result of a second example. Similarly, we take one more example based on Bayes theorem. So Bayes theorem ಮೇಲೆ example ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? Previous two examples are some conditional probability as well as conditional, additional as well as multiplication rule examples, right? So most of the time, so ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೈ ದಿ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ 7 marks in your pocket. 6 plus 7 is total 13 marks, right? 13 marks in your hand, right? Here 3 machines A, B and C produce respectively 60%, 30%, 10%. So A is 60, B is 30, C is 10 of the total number of items of a factory. The percentages of defective output of these machines are respectively, so A is 2%, 3%, 4%. There are some defective output. An item is selected at random and is found defective. Find the probability that the item was produced by machine C. So machine C so ಎಷ್ಟು probability ಇದು defect produce ಮಾಡ್ತದಪ್ಪ item. So that probability we need to find. So this is also from question paper July 2017. Solution: let A, B, C stand for the events of selection of an item from machines A, B, C. Right? These are the machines. Just selection of a machines A, B, C. Then probability of A is having 60%. No, 60% nothing but 60 by 100 is 0.6. Similarly, P of B is 0.3. P of C is 0.1. Suppose it ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು even ಕೊಟ್ಟನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲಿ, so you can convert into the decimal form. So percentage is 1 by 100 is, so 60 by 100, 30 by 100, 10 by 100 is, so 0.6, 0.3, 0.4. Suppose D is the event of selection of a defective item. ನಾ ಡಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಡಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ probability of defective conditional A, defective conditional, ಇಲ್ಲಿ defective conditional ಕೊಟ್ಟನ, so 2%, 3%, 4%. this is defective from A machine, defective from B machine, this is defective from C machine, like this. Now first defective from conditionally A is 2 by 2%, 2 by 100 is 0.02. Similarly defective by B, conditionally B, 3 by 100 is 0.03. defective by C, D, conditionally C, 4 by 100 is 0.04. To find the probability that a selected item is produced from the machine C, we need to find probability of C conditionally defective, ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲ, that the item was produced by the machine C. ಯಾವಾಗ found defective. We have by Bayes theorem. Now so Bayes theorem ಏನೈತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, defective by B conditionally C ಹಿಂಗೈತಿ, B conditionally A ಐತೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ C conditionally D equal to, so this is expression. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, P of C into P of D conditional C divided by P of A into P of D conditional A plus P of P into P of conditional D conditional B plus P of C into P of D conditional C. So we have every values. P of C is here 0.1, P of D conditional C is 0.04 divided by P of A is 0.6, then P of ಡಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ 0.02 ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಓದ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಸಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ 0.16. So which is the required solution, right? So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇದೇ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. Now here we have one more example. So in a class, I am considering one class. In a class, 70% are boys and 30% are girls. 5% of boys, 3% of girls are regular, irregular. So 5% boys ಮತ್ತು 3% of girls irregular students to the classes. What is the probability of a student selected at random is irregular to the classes, and what is the probability that the irregular students is a girls? So only girls ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ selecting a boy, I am taking P of B equal to 70 divided by 100 is 0.7. Probability of selecting a girl P of G is 30 by 100 is 0.3. Let I be the event of selecting an irregular student. I ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು irregular student ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Therefore probability of I conditional B is, so they are given some percentage. 5% of 5 by 100 is 0.05. So next, probability of girl, irregular student conditional girls is, so I by G is, I divides G is 3 by 100 is 0.03. Hence probability of irregular is probability of B into probability of I conditional B plus probability of G into probability of I conditional G. So we know all these values. P of B is 0.7, so P of IB is 0.05 plus P of G is 0.3, P of I conditional G is 0.03. So after multiplying these, so P of I is 0.04. Thus the probability of selecting an irregular student is 0.044. Next we have to find probability of G conditional I. So girls ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, girls conditional I. So and by Bayes theorem, again Bayes theorem, P of G by I is, so P of G into P of I conditional G divided by P of I equal to, so we know this value, P of G is 0.3, P of I by G is 0.03 divided by P of I is 0.044 equal to, so this value. So this is the probability that the irregular students is a girl. So this percent of probability is there, right? Now similarly one more example. The probability that 3 students A, B, C solved a problem are 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 respectively. If the problem is simultaneously assigned to all of them, what is the probability that the problem is solved? They are taking one problem, so this is also from example. I will see solution. Now here probability of problem is solved, probability is problem is solved is nothing but 1 minus this 1 minus probability of problem being unsolved by A, B, C. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ A, B, C ಮತ್ತು 3 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಂತನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ A is 1/2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈ ಥರ 1/3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, 1/4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಅಸೈನ್ ದೇಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ successive is equal to 1 minus probability of failure ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅದ್ರಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು we'll see the solution here. Now probability of this is q of e or p of complement of e is nothing but this is q of e is the probability that the problem is not solved or nothing but unsolved. P of complement of e equal to probability of complement of A into probability of complement of B into probability of complement of C. This is unsolved equal to, there are unsolved here. So 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Nothing but, so if we simplify this, 1 by 4. Hence, probability of E equal to 1 minus probability of complement of E. So, this is the complement of E. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Thus, probability of E is 3 by 4, which is the solution. So simple procedure, right? Now, so last example. Here a shooter can hit a target in 3 out of 4 shots and another shooter can hit the target in 2 out of 3 shots. Find the probability that the target is being hit. So first one, when both of them try. Second one is by only one shooter. This is also from question paper 2017, December 2017. Let here there are 2 shooters. I am considering let S1 and S2 be the events. So shooter 1 and shooter 2. That the shooters 1 and 2 hit the target. 1 and 2 hit the target. Now here, probability of shooter 1, they are out 3 out of 4, so 3 by 4. And probability of shooter 2, S2 is 2 out of 3, so 2 by 3. Now first one, see this is given, both are given, right? This is out of 3 out of 4, 2 out of 3. Right, this is first shooter, this is second shooter. Now first one is when both of them try. So P of S1 union S2 equal to, that is shooter 1, shooter 2 equal to P of shooter 1 plus P of shooter 2 minus, this is additional theorem minus P of shooter 1 intersection shooter 2. But S1 S2 are independent. S1 S2 are the independent. So if it is independent, so this is nothing but probability of S1 union S2 equal to P of S1 plus P of S2 equal to P of S1 into P of S2, independent. So here we have P of S1 is 3 by 4, P of S2 is 2 by 3 minus this is 3 by 4, 2 by 3. After simplification, 11 by 12. So this is 11 by 12. Thus probability of S1 union S2 is 11 by 12. So next B, target by only one shooter. Target being hit by only one shooter means, so S1 intersection S2 complement of S2 union S1 complement intersection S2. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಶೂಟರ್, ಐದರ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್, ಎರಡು ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? Now this is equal to S1 intersection S2 complement plus, because union, S1 complement intersection S2. If we take probability this here, here we know this definition equal to P S1 into P S2 plus P S1 bar, nothing but complement of S1 into P S2. Here 1 by 3 nothing but only one shooter, nothing but this is 1 by 3, this is also only one sorted. S1 is 1 by 4. So 3 by 4, this we know. So this is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 4, now this we know 2 by 3. After simplification, 5 by 12. Thus the required probability is 5 by 12. So which is the required solution of a given problem.